Hello, good morning. Welcome to lesson 12. Right? Okay. So previous lesson we have learned about map scale. Right? So this lesson we are going to learn about calculation of the area in a map scale in a map. All right? Okay. Before that, let's discuss on the answer where you guys have. I believe you guys already done this question, which is 1B, 1BD, 2BD, 3B, 4B, and 7A. Okay, let's check the answer. Okay, please prepare a red pen. Okay, please prepare a red pen or any other color pen. Okay, so we start with 1B and D. Please tick and check the answer, compare the answer with mine. Okay, if it's wrong, please do a correction using the red pen. Alright, okay, so 1B, the answer is here. 1B, 1 to 30,000. 1D is 1 to 400,000. Okay, please check and tick by yourself. Alright, so if there's any mistake, you can pause this video and do the correction first before you continue to the next question. Okay. Alright, for number 2B, 1 over 90,000. 1D is 1 over 400,000. Right, please tick. Okay. Then number 3B, the answer is here, 350 meter. And number 4B, the answer is here, 50 centimeter. Okay, and then we go to question number 7 and 8. So number 7 is 1 to 5,000, and B is 12 cm. Number 8 is 1 over 300,000, and 8B is 15 kilometer. Okay, you can always use this video on your own pace. Alright, on your own pace. You can pause this video, or you can fast forward, or you can repeat again, rewind again to listen to the explanation, right, from my previous lesson. Okay, if you have any question and if you have any doubt, you can always text me. Okay, I'm available in Teams. Alright, so we have come across all these answers already, number 1 until number 8. So today we will move on to the next part, which is the calculation of the area. So in your textbook is in page 93. Okay, before we go to try it too, okay, we are going to cover calculation of the area. We are going to cover this part here, and we are going to cover try it too. We are going to cover 5, 6. Most likely one of the question I need you to do by yourself, and number 9. Okay, so today's lesson is try it 2, 5, 6, and 9. Okay, alright, so calculation of area. Okay, in page 93 you will see this part over here. Okay, so when the scale of a map is 1 to R, okay, it's represented by centimeter. They did not write any unit, so it means in centimeter. Okay, so it means that 1 centimeter on the map represents an actual square of side R centimeter. So 1 centimeter represented by R centimeter. Okay, so let's say this is a small part from the map. Okay, small part from the map, 1 cm by 1 cm, one small part of square from the map, and this is the actual size which is represented by the map, and this is the actual one, okay, which is the length is R. Let's say it's R. So we know that the ratio or the map scale is 1 to R according to the length, 1 centimeter to R centimeter. Okay, and the ratio of the area, it will be for this square itself is 1 times 1, which is 1, right? It's 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. And for the actual size, it will be R times R. Okay, length times breadth, R times R, which is R square. So the ratio of the area, it will be 1 square to R square. Okay, so it's already written down here. Sorry. Hence, area on the map to actual area is 1 centimeter square to R square centimeter square. So it means 1 to R square. Okay. Okay. So look at the note here. If the scale on the map is given by 1 to R, then the ratio of the area measured on the map to the actual area is 1 to R square. Okay, I give you another example. Okay, so this small part here, you can copy all this into your notebook. This one, this side, calculation of area. Okay, I give you another example. Okay, so let's say if we have a length on the map. Okay, we know that this is represented as a map ratio to the actual. The map scale, let's say is 2 centimeter here, and the actual, let's say, is 10 centimeter. All right, let's say the actual size is 10 centimeter, and the map scale is in the map the length is 2 centimeter. Let's say, so the map scale will be 2 to sorry. Oh, okay. So the map scale, the ratio is 2 to 10. Okay, and the ratio of the area, okay, take note that this 2 to 10 is in centimeter, is a length. Okay, it's the length, it's the distance of map and actual 2 to 10. Okay, it's a 2 to 10. So the ratio of the area, it will be square for both. Okay, you square for both. So 2 to 10, basically you square it, so it's 4 to 100. So the ratio of area become 4 to 100. Okay, you square them both, because let's say the area of this map, since the length is 2 by 2, so it's 2 times 2. The area is 4 centimeter square, whereby the actual one is 10 times 10, which is 100. So the ratio of the area basically is 4 to 100, or you can simplify them, it's 1 to 25. Okay, so if we have a ratio of 2 to 3, then the ratio of the area will be 2 square to 3 square, which is 4 to 9. Okay, so the ratio of the area, you always have to be square, you have to square both sides. That is why just now from the previous notes there, 1 to r is the ratio of the map scale, and the ratio of the area will be 1 to r square, which is 1 square to r square basically, which means 1 to r square for the ratio of area. Alright, okay, so we proceed to try 2 and question 5, 6 and 9. Okay, I will tell you which one you need to do by yourself later. Okay, we go to try it 2 first. I'll explain this to you. Okay, so try it 2 is in page 94. Okay, yes, you need to copy this down, copy the question, copy the try it, and as well as the page number, page 94. Okay, so the scale of the map, or the map scale, is 1 to 40,000. Okay, so 1 to 40,000. A rectangular field is 3 centimeter by 2 centimeter on the map. So this is the map. Okay, find the actual area of the field. Okay, so to do this question, the easiest way to find this question, to do this, is to change this, both of the length and the breadth. Okay, the length and the breadth, because it's a rectangular field, right? The rectangular field. Okay, I'll draw it out. This is a rectangular field, which is 3 cm by 2 cm on map. Okay, this is a map. So the actual one, you change it to the actual one, it will be, okay, bigger in size. Okay, of course it's a bigger in size. Since the scale is given 1 to 40,000, you can change it to, okay, I'll move it down here better. Okay, right. Since it's a 1 to 40,000, you can change this to the actual, to the length and the breadth, both of these, to the actual size. Okay, so you times 40,000. Okay, so the actual will become 12,000. Okay, 120,000, sorry, 120,000. Okay, 3 cm times 40,000. Why I times 40,000? Because of the scale that is given here. The map and the actual map is 1 actual is 40,000, so you times 40,000 to get the actual side, which is 120,000 centimeter. And as for the breadth, you times 40,000 also to find the actual, so you get 80,000 centimeter. Okay, so the actual area will be 120,000 times 80,000 centimeter, both in centimeter. So if you times this, you will get a lot of zero. Okay, so it's like 120,000 centimeter times 80,000 centimeter. You'll get a lot of zero. Okay, so if you want to make it into kilometer, okay, it's easier. You change it to kilometer. How do you change it to kilometer? You divide it by 100 to make it meter, divided by 1000 again to make it kilometer. Same goes to the 80,000. You divide it by 100 first and then divide it by 1000. So the actual area now is equals to, okay, I change it, 100, 1000. So it's 1.2 kilometer times 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So it's 0.8 kilometer. I times both of them, I'll get 0.96 kilometer square. Okay. Normally question will ask you to find the actual area in kilometer square. But this question, they did not mention the unit. Okay, you can always give the answer in centimeter square since they did not give you any unit. But most of the questions in O level, they will give you a special unit. Let's say find the actual area of the field in kilometer square, let's say. Then you have to change. Okay, if not, you can give the answer in this form, which is 120,000 times 80,000, which is a very big number, and you have a lot of zero at the back. It's okay, it's fine. Okay, but in this question, I will make it into kilometer square, so we don't need to write too many zero. Okay, right. So actual area, you convert both of the side of the length to the actual breadth and length, and then you times them, and then you get the actual area. Okay, this is the easiest way to do lah, right? Okay, for part B, if the actual area of the region that is covered with bush is 2 kilometers square. Okay, so we need to know this one is the actual or the map. It already mentioned here if the actual area, right? Okay, is 2 kilometers square. So we know that this is the actual one. 2 kilometers square. Okay, find its area on the map. So you need to find map from the map. Okay, so we need to know the ratio first. Okay, so we know that the area of the ratio of area. Okay, the area ratio is from the map here. We can see from the diagram that I drew just now. 3 times 2 is 6, so 6 centimeters square from map. Okay, area on the map, and area for the actual one is already found just now, 0.96 kilometers square. Okay, I write down the unit. Both units are different. Okay, so the ratio is 6 to 0.96 in centimeters square and kilometers square for area map and area actual. Okay, so now they have given you 2 kilometers square under the actual. So we have to write down 2 kilometers square under actual. Okay, under actual. So you need to find area on the map. So now we have our cross multiply here. We can cross multiply here, right? Because this kilometer square and kilometer square is the same unit. Since it's the same unit, you can cross multiply already. Okay, so the answer that we found will be the same unit as the map, the centimeter square here. Okay, so we cross multiply. So x equals to 2 times 6 divided by 0.96. Okay, so it's equals to 12.5. 12.5 centimeter square. Okay, So this is the area on the map. Okay, or you can write area on map is 12 centimeters square by using cross multiply method. Okay, right. That is for try it too. Now question number 5 you can do by your own. Alright, and I will show you number 6. Okay, you can try number 5. I will discuss with you on the next lesson, number 5. Okay, number 6. Okay, number 5. Try by your own. Try it out. Okay, number 6. Okay, I will show you number 6, alright? The scale of a city map is 1 to 50,000. Okay, so map actual. Okay, map to actual. Find the area on the map in square centimeter. Okay, so 1 to 50,000. This is the length of the map or map scale length. Okay, so now they're asking you to find the area. We cannot just cross multiply using the map scale. Okay, we need to find the ratio of the area first. Okay, we find the ratio of area. Okay, so the ratio of the area, since both of these are in centimeter, you look at the question. The question here is 1 kilometer square. So before we find the ratio of area, we change this 50,000 centimeter, we change it to kilometer. Okay, for us to easier to cross multiply later. Okay, we change to kilometer before we find the ratio of area. Okay, so 1 centimeter will be represented by this one. We can divide it by 100 to change to meter and 1000 to change it to kilometer. Okay, why kilometer? Because the question here is 1 kilometer square, the area, so it's related with kilometer, so we change it to kilometer. So after we divide it by 100 divided by 1000, we get 0.5 kilometer. So the map is 1 centimeter and represents on the actual, which is 0.5 kilometer. Okay, then here we can find our ratio of area. Okay, so which is, you have to square all both 1 to 0.5 cm. We square the ratio of area, we need to square. Okay, remember when I talk about the ratio of area just now, we have to square, become 1 square to r square. Okay, if 1 to r is the map scale, then 1 square to r square is the ratio of the area from the map and actual. Okay, so we square both, it will become 1 centimeter square to 0.25 kilometer square. Right? Okay, so we need to find the ratio, the area on the map X if it's given 1 kilometer square. This is from the question part A. Alright, so we cross multiply this part here. Okay, we cross multiply this part. So it's 1 divided by 0.25 and it's equals to 4, and it's in centimeter square. You follow the unit from the top. Okay, so it's like this. This both is kilometer square, so the one at the bottom here is also in centimeter square. Okay, you follow the one on the top. Okay, so we found the answer for part A. Now part B. What if 15 kilometers square? Okay, we use back this ratio here. Okay, the ratio of the area is 1 centimeter square to 0.25 kilometers square, which we found it just now. And find the map if the actual is 15 kilometers square. Okay, so we use this and we cross multiply. Okay, so x is equals to 15 divided by 0.25 and we get 60 centimeters square. Done. Okay, so again, how do you start? You start off with looking at the map scale 1 to 50,000, and then you change the actual one, the 50,000, you change it to kilometer because the question here is 1 kilometer square. So if you change it to kilometer, it's much easier for you to continue doing it. Okay, you change it to kilometer. So for question number 5, okay, when you try this out, okay, find the actual area in square meters. So since the question here is meter square, you can change this to meter first. Okay, and then you try to do. I will give you the answer in the next lesson. Okay, so I've done number 6. Okay, number 5 and number 9 you can try to do by your own. Okay, so that's it from me today for calculation of area on the map scale. Right, so what you need to do is don't forget to copy the question in exercise and the exercise 4.1 page 95. All this you need to write it down. All right, okay. Your homework will be exercise 4.1 page 95, question number 5 and number 9. Okay, all right, see you next week. Bye bye.